Easy programming starts with the programming language Android. The first exercise that we are going to see today is creating simple conversion application in Android. So the concept we have taken is converting the measurements. If suppose you want to convert feet to meters, means you should be clear that what is the equivalence of 1 foot and meters, and 1 foot is equal to 0.30 meters. Similarly, so here in our example we are going to convert miles to kilometers. So 1 mile is equal to 1.61 kilometer. Now let us see how to program it. First be clear with what is the input you are going to get from the user, what process you are going to do inside, and what is the output you are going to display it back to the user. To get the input from the user, the components that we are going to use in the program is we are going to display the result in text view, and we are going to place a button where on clicking this button we are going to display the result in the text view. So these are the three simple components we need to do this program. The process to be done is converting it to kilometers, where 1 mile is equal to 1.61 kilometer. In output we are going to display it as 25 miles is equivalent to 40.25 kilometer, where this 25 represents the input that we got from the user and 40.25 is the result that we obtained from the program. Now let us see how to code it in Android programming window. Click File, New, Android Application Project. Give the application name. I am giving it as Simple Converter. At this point, short note about naming convention. Since Android program is very similar to Java programming, naming convention is as like in Java only. In Java, all the packages name will always be in small letters. All the class and interface name follows the Pascal case. Pascal case means each word's first letter will be in capital, and for method it follows camel case. Camel case means the first word will be in small letters, and after that each word starts with capital letter. So keep this naming convention in mind while coding in Android programming too. Here application name is going to be a class name. So each word's first letter is given in capital letter. Accept all the default options. Finally click Finish. Here select the minimum API level. It is API 10 here. By default it creates a text view. Remove that. First thing to be done is your designing portion. So in graphical layout you design the components that are needed to your program. Here we are going to use edit text button and text view. Click the text field and drag the edit text. Click form widgets and drag button. Finally text view. So after placing the essential components, immediately change the name. Once you create all these components in the activity main.xml file, the respective coding will be automatically embedded. Next comes the main coding portion. Expand source folder and click main activity.java. So by default it imports the essential packages. Here we need to import two more main packages, which is widget and view. Android package. Android is the package name. So inside this view you have view class. This is the basic building block for user interface components, and this components refers widgets, button, text box. So in order to use those components we have to import this class view.star. So when you give star, through this you can access all the components inside it. Next important package is widget, android.widget.star. So after importing the package, next step is you have to create objects for these classes. So here we are going to use edit text button and then text view. For that you have to create an object. So inside the main class type ed. Since it is class name, remember the Pascal case. Each word starts with capital letters. Edit, give control spacebar and select the option which will be easier for you. Edit text, give the object name for this. So now you have created objects for these three classes. Next one is you have to bind this objects with the ID of all those components. So here in graphical layout, so here you have named these components. So these should be binded with this object name. Here inside onCreate method, you take these objects one by one and bind it. First one is et input equal to, within bracket you mention the respective component, which is edit text, and then control space find view by id, which is used to bind the object and id. So all the IDs will be saved in r.java file, which is there inside the gen folder. You can see a file called r.java and id. So when you expand this, you can see all the ID will be stored. This you are going to refer in the place of find view by ID. You type r.id. So name of the edit text is edmail semicolon. Likewise, you bind the remaining objects also. Now we have binded the class objects with the components ID. Next, you have to decide the event. Here we are going to display the result on clicking the button. So the event is click event and the component is button. Button. So name of the button is button process dot. The event is set on click listener. Since this is the method name, remember the camel case convention. Set on click listener, inside the bracket new, give control space bar and select view dot on click listener, which automatically embeds the on click method in the coding. Here at the end give semicolon. Here comes the main process, that is converting miles to kilometers. So first you want to get the value from the edit text. This is the name of the edit text, et input dot. So get text is a method to get the value from that particular edit text. So get text, and it is to be converted to string. So the method name is toStringOf semicolon. So giving this line will receive the input from the edit. Now this has to be stored and is to be processed. Here we will be getting type conversion problem. So since we are going to deal with the value decimals, the data type is double. And now you have to convert this string to double. For converting, in Java, parse double. So inside this bracket you have to mention the string to be converted. Class name double dot parse double is the method name to convert. Inside the bracket you specify the string to be converted. Line which acquires the string from the edit text. So let me cut it and paste it inside the bracket. I think now it is clear to you. So double is the class name inside which we have a parse double method to convert the given string to double, and the string to be converted is given inside the bracket. Now this is to be stored to a variable for further processing. The return type of this function is again a double. So to a data type double, you declare a variable dbmile. What will be done now? To this variable dbmile, the converted value will be stored. Now next you have to convert this miles to kilometers, and we know that 1 mile is equal to 1.61 kilometer. Double. So you want to convert mile to kilometer. So mile is there in dbmile variable name into 1.61 is the conversion, and this is to be stored in a variable now. So let that variable name be double km. I'm giving this kilometer. The return type is again going to be a double since it holds decimal values. The value is acquired. The conversion is also completed. Next is you have to display the result. The result is going to be displayed in the text view. So call the object name of text view, which is tv output dot. The method name to display is set text. Inside the bracket you have to give the result. This is how you want to show the result. The value in miles. Here this 25 is the value that we got from the user, which is there in the variable dbmile. So give dbmile, to concatenate use plus symbol within double quotes. You give this content is equivalent to. So leave a space, before and after within double quotes, and then to join the next value, which is your converted value 40.25. it is there in the variable dbkm. So give dbkm, again join it to display this measurement km. So within double quotes leave a space and then km. At last give semicolon to end the statement. Let us see how to run the program. For that you have to open the emulator. So in window, ensure that in window Android Virtual Device Manager already you have created an AVD here. I am pressing this run button. Let me give the value as 25 itself. Press convert to kilometers button. You can see 25 miles is equivalent to 40.25 kilometers. I think it's clear to you.